Soldier incoming. Additional target added while time remains. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Targets eliminated. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your TAC map. Get hunting. Enemies dropping into the AO. Target down. Marking the rest of them. Enemy destroyed. Use your TAC map to hunt down the rest of them. Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Precision airstrike standing by. Enemy UAV overhead. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your TAC map. Get hunting. Enemies are dropping into the area. Your squad's in the safe zone. Gas is closing in. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Marking the rest of them.
Target area marked. You're cleared hot.
Enemy airstrike in the area.
This is Longbow 3-1. Target acquired. Strike inbound.
Enemy.
Go again.
Enemy destroyed. Use your TAC map to hunt down the rest of them. Confirmed. We've located the rest of them. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your TAC map. Get hunting. You have reinforcements inbound. Friendly loadout drops on the way. Enemy dropping into the... Target down. Marking the rest of them. Target of opportunity acquired. Weapons free. Some up into the front. Objective is lost. You've got time for another bout. Get it done. The squad mate's back on station. Good work.
UAV available for tasking.
1-1 requesting recon at this time.
UAV available for tasking.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Hostile missile strike detected on the nearby target.
You have reinforcements inbound.
UAV standing by.
1-1 requesting recon at this time. Throwing grenade!
Intelligence squad is outside the safe zone. Enemy dropping
Requesting
into the
recon
AO.
at this time. Taking effective fire! Marking enemy.
TACOM, we're flying on fumes. UAV.
There are 24 enemies active. Kill them all. Target's gone dark. Looks like someone else claimed your prize. Additional target added. Special orders rescinded. Resume normal operations.
Marking enemy.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enemy destroyed. Use your TAC map to hunt down the rest of them. Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
1-1 requesting recon at this time.
UAV available for tasking.
Nearby target marked with enemy missile strike.
Confirmed. We've located the rest of them.
Saw the light there.
Remaining operators.
Priority tasking requested. UAV exiting AO. UAV over.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Enemy soldier in. We've located the rest of them. Marked remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. All squad mates are in the safe zone.
Marking enemy.
Marking the rest on your attack map. Get hunting. Target down. Marking the rest. Enemy destroyed. Use your attack map to hunt down the rest of them. Fire sales over. Adjusting prices.
UAV standing by.
1-1 requesting recon at
UAV
this
available for
time.
tasking.
Remaining operators
That was
from that
close.
squad. Target down. Marking the rest of them. Be advised, resurgence is no longer active. This is for keeps. What's done for you? Get ready. You're redeployed. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Marking contract.
contract's worth more than usual, so get it done, soldier.
Taking effective fire!
You've got gas moving in.
Tactical incoming.
Five squads still operational in the AO. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Marking enemy!
Only 10 left. You're in dangerous territory. Get moving to the safe zone. Resurgence has been deactivated. This is the end game.
Dropped them!
3 squads left in the war zone. Stay
Out here.
alert. All bounty targets are KIA. Well done. Enemy soldier incoming. Only 4 remain. Finish the job. You were 1 of 5 remaining. The enemy took